Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Are there warranties on e-bikes?
Absolutely. On every single e-bike, there is a warranty from the manufacturer. You should never pay extra for a warranty. So if your dealer is charging you extra and saying, oh, there's no warranty unless you have to pay for it, that is BS. That is not true. Each manufacturer or supplier has their own detailed warranty, which they're all on our website. And so how it works is if some of the batteries and chargers are 6 months, TAUBIK has a full year. So there's a little bit of a difference between the brands. And then it's on defective parts, which means not if you've crashed your bike or dropped it or whatnot. And it is the manufacturer that determines whether the part is defective or not. So sometimes there's a bit of a wait. We try to skip all that because it's pretty clear to us. We can make the call and get the parts ahead of time, as opposed to sending the defective parts out and waiting for them to come back. And that's just the proven relationship that we have with our suppliers, that we can skip a lot of that time in between, because at the end of the day, it's most important to us that you are out enjoying your bike. So we make that go faster.